Hey, good morning everybody. This is Matthew back with another video, and welcome back to our channel. And if you guys haven't subscribed the channel, please do subscribe and give a thumbs up, because we do go a lot of places and you guys can get entertained, see different places. So today we are going a train tour. So it is in Sault Ste. And the train tour is called Agawa Canyon Train Tour. That is quite famous. So this is the train, and this is the train leg. Look at the size of the train. It's huge. Many compartments. So we are on a 5656. I mean, like way up there. But I just came to do a video. I mean, like to take a whole footage. So this is the basically train going that way. So this is the back side of the train behind. So this is the train at the end, and it's gonna go that way. Anyway, so our train leaves at roughly about 8 o'clock. Is going to be the all day too. So it starts from 8 o'clock. Is gonna go to wilderness, like to the bush, where basically people cannot go. The access of people is not that accessible in terms of if you go by drive, if you take a car, if you if you want to go some of the falls, you can't go there. So this is the place train to go, and that only happen once in a year, which is this time fall. And look at that sky color, look at that. Wow, look at that, isn't it? And this is the basically the main building for Agawa Canyon Train Tour building. So whatever information you do required, you have to come to that building, and basically you have to grab your tickets a day before, and then on the day for the tour, that's how you're gonna go. So I might as well get into the train. This is the train, and it's basically kind of full today, but not full. It's like 50% capacity because of due to COVID. Anyway, so it's gonna be a long video. The train tour is 5 hours, but I'm not going to do 5 hours of video, but it's going to be a long video. So stay tuned, and if you guys haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe, give a thumbs up if you like this video, and stay tuned.
Central's locomotives and track equipment are stored and maintained. Inside the roundhouse, there is a huge turntable that rotates in a complete circle to allow locomotives to be turned around. As far as we know, this is one of only 2 working indoor railroad turntables in the world.
Before we pass into and through this country, in a very real sense, we will be journeying back in time, traveling back some 3,500 million years to a time when the molten Earth was still cooling, and the thin, 30-mile thick skin of our planet was forming like the crust on a plate. Imagine going back to this almost unimaginably ancient time, an era that lasted so long it accounts for fully 4/5 of the entire time the Earth has existed. In this distant age, before the continents as we know them today had separated and formed, there was only one ocean and one supercontinent. In the north, this continent, which was wrapped by earthquakes and never-ending storms, a fiery belt of hundreds of huge volcanoes appeared. These volcanoes, the most ancient on Earth, speak of layers upon layers of spreading, red-hot oceans of molten lava that grew very slowly between the oceans, bringing breathtaking chains of towering new mountains into being. These mountains were the first part of what would later become North America, to be permanently elevated above the grasp of the sea, reaching up 12,000 kilometers, or 39,000 feet, higher than the Himalayas today. They touched the sky. They would eventually cover half the landmass of the future Canada in a shield shape.
On 18 runs, with a respectable vertical drop of 213 meters, or 700 feet. Visitors are attracted by the downhill and cross-country skiing, dog sledding, fishing, hiking, canoeing, and mountain biking.
the canteen area for that train. So if you are want to have something, basically you can come here and have a food or whatever. So let's go and ask what is available for the canteen and what is going to be.
Hi.
What? Hey there, what is available? Like what you have? What is available? Are those?
Okay, so we have all these snacks and chips. They're all $3.
Okay.
Drinks are $3.
Okay.
The coffee drinks, the cold coffee is $6.
Okay.
And then the beer is $8.
Can I pay with card?
No, it's cash. Do we have a card?
We have an emergency payment system set up as if you have no cash and you have no alternative payment. We will make a charge to your account when we go back.
Okay.
So
But
we just
have to get to fill out some paperwork.
So you'd have to fill out to use your card.
So we only have a method of cash payment.
Okay.
We don't have any
In
Wi-Fi.
emergency, we can use.
So most of the time we have to take the video from inside the train because we are going to Canyon Park. So normally it's from Sault Ste. It takes 4 hours to go. We're gonna go there, hang around for an hour, hour and a half or 2 hours, I don't know how long, and then we're coming back. So it's basically 4 hours to go, 4 to come, 8 hours on the road with this beautiful scenario left to right, but the train will stop in one place. So unfortunately all the footage are from inside of the train. But if you do enjoy it, then again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay. Just,
Later exploring some of the lakes we've been passing. You'll be happy to learn that there are many wilderness lodges and resorts along this route, which you can visit for the fishing or hunting. For the
So basically we finally arrived to Agawa Canyon Park. So they gave us a direction about the right and left. So if we go to this way, it's going to be 2 waterfalls, right? And if we go that way, that will be a fantastic view, but that record 300 step. So it's kind of challenging for the people who are not physically fit like ours. But anyway, that's another scenario. So we're gonna hang around here, just see what's going on, and then yeah, look at the color of the trees. It's
That's just the vacuum coming on.